Today, we're revealing the top foods for glowing, healthy skin, because what you eat matters more than any cream or serum. Alright, let's dive into the world of skin-loving superfoods. We're kicking things off with a creamy green delight that's not only delicious but also a powerhouse of nutrients for your skin. It's the one, the only, the mighty avocado. This isn't just any fruit. It's a true skin superfood, packed with goodness that works from the inside out to give you that radiant glow we all crave. Avocados are absolutely packed with healthy monounsaturated fats, the kind of fats that are actually good for you and your skin. These fats help avocados act as an internal moisturizer, working to keep your skin hydrated and plump from within. Think of it as a delicious, edible moisturizer. This internal hydration is key to keeping your skin supple, dewy, and beautifully hydrated, combating dryness and flakiness. But the benefits don't stop there. They're also loaded with vitamin E, a vital nutrient for skin health. Vitamin E is a powerful antioxidant, meaning it fights off those pesky free radicals that can damage your skin cells and lead to premature aging. This antioxidant power shields your skin from environmental aggressors like sun exposure and pollution, helping to prevent damage and keep your skin looking youthful. It's like a natural defense system for your face. And the goodness keeps on coming. Plus, avocados contain vitamin C, another essential nutrient for radiant skin. Vitamin C works synergistically with vitamin E, boosting its antioxidant capabilities and providing even greater protection for your skin. Together, these vitamins boost protection against damage and actively work to repair existing skin issues, promoting a healthier, clearer complexion. The result of incorporating this superfood into your diet? You'll likely notice fewer fine lines, as the healthy fats and vitamins work to plump up the skin and reduce the appearance of wrinkles. Say goodbye to less dryness, as the moisturizing properties of avocados keep your skin hydrated and prevent that tight, uncomfortable feeling. And perhaps most importantly, you'll experience a stronger skin barrier, which means your skin is better equipped to protect itself from external irritants and maintain its overall health. It's easy to incorporate this superfood into your meals. Try adding avocado to toast for a quick and healthy breakfast. Toss some slices into your salads for a boost of healthy fats and creamy texture. Or blend it into your smoothies for a creamy, nutritious treat. Aim to include avocados a few times a week for visible results in your skin's health and appearance. Remember, achieving healthy, glowing skin is a long game. Consistency is absolutely key. It's about making sustainable choices that nourish your body from the inside out. You don't need to overdo it and eat an entire avocado every day. Moderation is important. Just make avocados a regular and enjoyable part of your overall balanced diet, and you'll start to see the benefits. So, next time you're shopping at the grocery store or farmer's market, be sure to grab a few avocados and give your skin a natural and delicious boost. Your skin will thank you for it. It's a simple, delicious, and incredibly effective way to nourish your skin from the inside out. Now that we've explored the amazing benefits of avocados, let's move on to our next skin-loving food and discover its unique properties. Walnuts aren't just a tasty snack. They're a skin game changer, packed with nutrients that can transform your complexion from the inside out. We're diving deep into why these brain-shaped nuts should be a staple in your skincare routine. They're one of the best plant sources of omega-3 fatty acids, essential fats that your body can't produce on its own. These omega-3s are the secret weapon for achieving that coveted healthy glow. These powerful omega-3s work wonders to fight inflammation throughout your body, including in your skin. Inflammation can manifest as redness, acne, and other skin irritations, so keeping it in check is crucial. By reducing inflammation, walnuts help keep your skin calm, clear, and radiant. Say goodbye to those pesky breakouts and hello to a smoother, more even complexion. But the benefits don't stop there. Omega-3s also play a vital role in strengthening your skin's natural moisture barrier. Think of it as a protective shield that keeps the good stuff in and the bad stuff out. A strong skin barrier is essential for locking in moisture, preventing dryness, and keeping irritants like pollution and allergens out. This leads to healthier, more hydrated skin that's less prone to sensitivity. Walnuts are also a fantastic source of zinc, a mineral that's absolutely crucial for skin health. Zinc plays a key role in wound healing and preventing breakouts. It helps regulate oil production, reduce inflammation, and support the skin's natural repair process. Plus, they offer a healthy dose of vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant that protects your skin from damage caused by free radicals. And that's not all. Walnuts are packed with other antioxidants that provide extra protection against environmental stressors, helping to keep your skin looking youthful and radiant. To reap these amazing skin benefits, you don't need to eat a huge amount. Just a small handful, about a quarter cup, gives you all these incredible benefits. It's a simple and delicious way to nourish your skin from within. Toss them in oatmeal for a nutritious breakfast boost, sprinkle them on salads for added crunch and flavor, or simply snack on them solo for a quick and healthy pick-me-up. Their impressive nutrient density makes every single bite count towards achieving healthy, glowing skin. Remember, while walnuts are incredibly good for you, portion control is key to maintaining a balanced diet. Walnuts, a small snack with a big impact on your skin's health and radiance. Make them a part of your daily routine and watch your skin thrive. Sweet potatoes are loaded with beta-carotene, which your body turns into vitamin A, nature's internal retinol. This helps protect your skin from sun damage and supports healthy cell turnover for a smoother complexion. Think of it as an edible sun shield, but don't skip your sunscreen. Just half a cup of baked sweet potato delivers a huge dose of beta-carotene. Bake them, roast them, or mash them for a delicious skin-friendly side. Their natural sweetness makes them easy to love. Sweet potatoes, vibrant color, vibrant skin. Tomatoes are packed with lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that helps defend your skin from sun damage and aging. Lycopene accumulates in your skin, acting as a built-in shield against UV rays. Cooking tomatoes with a little healthy fat like olive oil boosts lycopene absorption. Enjoy tomato sauce, roasted tomatoes, or tomato soup for maximum benefits. Remember, this is a complement to sunscreen, not a replacement. Tomatoes help reduce redness and keep your skin elastic. Add them to your meals for a tasty, protective boost. Next up, a skin-saving catch from the sea. When it comes to achieving radiant and healthy skin, what you eat plays a pivotal role. And one of the most effective dietary choices you can make is incorporating fatty fish into your regular meals. Fatty fish like salmon and sardines are nutritional powerhouses loaded with omega-3s, essential for maintaining calm, hydrated, and supple skin. These essential fatty acids work wonders from the inside out, contributing to a complexion that glows with health. These healthy fats are known to significantly reduce inflammation, a common culprit behind many skin issues. They also soothe redness, calming irritated skin, and promoting a more even skin tone. And perhaps most importantly, they help keep your skin barrier strong and resilient. A robust skin barrier is crucial for protecting against environmental aggressors and preventing moisture loss. Beyond omega-3s, they also provide high-quality protein, which is essential for the production of collagen and elastin. These proteins are the building blocks of youthful, firm skin, helping to maintain its elasticity and reduce the appearance of wrinkles. Fatty fish are also packed with vitamin E and zinc, both vital nutrients for skin repair and regeneration. Vitamin E acts as an antioxidant, protecting skin cells from damage, while zinc aids in wound healing and reduces inflammation. For optimal skin health, aim for at least 2 servings of fatty fish a week. Enjoy it grilled, baked with herbs and vegetables, or flaked into vibrant salads. Not a fish fan or following a vegetarian or vegan diet? Don't worry, you can still reap the benefits of omega-3s by trying algae-based omega-3 supplements. Remember, fatty fish nourish your skin from the inside out, providing the essential nutrients it needs to thrive. Think of them as your skin's personal fire department, swiftly putting out inflammation and restoring balance. It's a simple, delicious, and incredibly powerful way to enhance your skin's health and radiance. So, embrace the power of fatty fish, and let's crunch into our next skin-boosting snack. Sunflower seeds are tiny but mighty, packed with vitamin E, your skin's frontline defender. Just a quarter cup gives you a big dose of this antioxidant, protecting against daily damage. They also contain selenium, which works with vitamin E to boost skin resilience. Sprinkle them on salads, yogurt, or blend into smoothies. Choose raw, unsalted seeds for the healthiest option. A small handful daily is all you need. Sunflower seeds, simple, crunchy, and skin protective. Ready for a colorful boost? Let's talk bell peppers. Red and yellow bell peppers are vitamin C powerhouses, essential for collagen production and firm, youthful skin. They actually have more vitamin C per gram than oranges. Vitamin C also protects against sun and pollution damage. Slice them raw for snacks, toss in stir-fries, or roast for extra sweetness. High vitamin C diets are linked to smoother, more hydrated skin. Bell peppers are versatile and delicious, an easy way to glow. Add them to your meals for a daily skin boost. Next, let's go green with broccoli. Broccoli delivers vitamin A, vitamin C, and zinc, all crucial for skin repair and protection. It also contains sulforaphane, a unique compound that boosts your body's natural defenses against UV damage. Lightly steam or eat raw to preserve nutrients. Add to salads, stir-fries, or enjoy as a crunchy snack. Broccoli is a multitasker for your skin. Don't skip it. Powerful, protective, and easy to add to your diet. Now, let's indulge in a sweet treat that's actually good for you. Good news, dark chocolate, 70% cacao or higher, is packed with flavonoids, powerful antioxidants for your skin. These boost blood flow, improve hydration, and help your skin glow. Flavonoids also offer some protection against sun damage. Enjoy a small square daily. Just check that cacao is the first ingredient, not sugar. Pair with berries for a double antioxidant hit. Dark chocolate proves healthy eating can be delicious. Savor it in moderation for real skin benefits. Now let's sip our way to radiance. Green tea is rich in catechins, especially EGCG, which fights inflammation and protects your skin from aging. Drinking green tea daily improves skin elasticity, moisture, and blood flow. It also helps defend against sun damage and collagen breakdown. Brew a few cups a day, hot or iced, but skip the sugar. You can even use cooled green tea as a soothing toner. Simple, calming, and effective for your skin. Let's wrap up with the big picture. There you have it. 10 foods to help you eat your way to radiant skin. It's about balance, color, and consistency, not miracle fixes. Nourish your body, and your skin will show the results. What are your favorite skin-friendly foods? Share in the comments. If you found this helpful, subscribe, and hit the bell for more. Stay healthy, and let your glow shine from within.